Hey there, fellow drivers. Welcome back to Safe Roads Driving School, your go-to channel for all things driving related. Today, we're diving into the world of road signs and rules. Road signs are crucial for providing essential information and ensuring safety on our roadways. Let's take a look at some of the most common road signs you'll encounter during your driving journey. The classic stop sign. When you see this red sign with this distinct octagonal shape, it means you must come to a complete stop at the designated line or before entering the intersection. Remember, it's essential to yield the right-of-way to other vehicles and pedestrians. Speed limit signs are next. Remember that the purpose of this sign is to keep us all safe. They indicate the maximum legal speed you should travel on a particular road. Pay attention to these signs, as they vary depending on the area and road conditions. Another common road sign that you'll come across is the yield sign. When you encounter a yield sign, it means you must give the right-of-way to other drivers or pedestrians who have the green light or are already in the intersection. One-way signs indicate that traffic flows in a single direction on the road. Always follow the indicated direction, as driving against the flow can lead to dangerous situations. The no entry sign is pretty straightforward. It signifies that you cannot enter a specific road or lane from your current direction. It's essential to respect these signs to avoid traffic accidents or violations. Another important road sign is the no turn on red sign. When you see this sign, it means you must come to a complete stop at a red traffic light and are not permitted to make a right turn until the light turns green. It ensures the safety of pedestrians and other vehicles in the intersection. The winding road ahead sign is less common but is just as important. It communicates the upcoming road conditions where the road curves and twists. It's crucial to adjust your speed and remain alert as you navigate through these sections. Now that wraps up part 1 of Decode the Road. Remember that understanding and obeying these signs and rules is vital for your safety and the safety of others on the road. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video series, where we will continue to dive into the world of road signs and rules, helping you navigate the streets with confidence. Until next time, drive responsibly.